Right, today we're going to finish off the rest of the oiling of the car. I want to crack off the nuts on the wheels, retorque them, and I might try and get some electrical work done today. Check the oil and whatever else we can fit in the limited time that we've got. So without further ado, let's crack on, get the cloth and get a move on. So I would say that's about that side done. Right, I've edited this down, hopefully. I've edited the right bits out, otherwise it'd be somewhat entertaining and probably get kicked off YouTube. Right, we've finished oiling it all over, if the cameraman would like to follow me. I have also not bothered oiling the boot because obviously we want it to stick the stickers on. Pink bottom will be rectified and become a red bottom after the show. So we've oiled all down here and it seems to be looking quite good, if I say so myself. At the end of the day it's got the desired effect that I'm after. Yeah, that's as far as the oiling goes. Well, what else we need to do today is I want to crack off all the wheel nuts and torque them up. It's just because I've had new tyres put on the back and I'm not too sure if all the wheel nuts are torqued up to the right settings. So I'm going to crack off the wheel nuts now, and I'm not bothered jacking it up, it's just crack them off, tighten them up to the torque setting. Check the oil, make sure we've got the old black liquid in there, make sure it goes. And I think we're about done then for the show. I want to try and sort out some electrics. We'll see how that goes, whether or not I film it. We'll see. Right, so I'll crack on. Let's just crack that off. No, would help if I used the right chuffing one. That's enough. That's enough. Something's telling me that they're not up to talk.
Waiting on for this time.
90. That's the dude. Right, let's get that set up to 56.
Probably in the shot there.
I didn't really want one that long, but car rolling away from me. Got that on. That's that one up to date. Right. Cameraman's gone on strike. Come out with all the rest of them. Some bits in. And you get the idea. Repeat the process on the other side. As I mentioned, I'm going to check the oil. So we'll log that in the video as well. How we'll edit all this in, I don't know. Probably about a day and a half of video. Going from one thing to another, but that's just me all over. That's how my mind works. Well, do we say work? I don't know. Oh yes, plenty of oil in there. Dinio adio. Plenty of oil. A little squidge in there. So we're okay for oil. Oh, I don't need a lot, John. It's only soft. That's the only thing with this LHM. How in God's name? It's got an upper and lower mark. How the bloody hell do you see it? The bottle's green and the bloody contents is green. I don't believe it! How in the Lord's name, of all things holy, are you supposed to chuff and see? Okay? You can't wobble it. It's like it's solid bloody green plastic. I can't undo that.
I reckon I can. Come on, Mr. Muzzies.
Well, get your friggin' muzzies on it then. Oh, what was that? What was that? Was Helen better than the What's It in Paradise?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no. Thought it was not. Tell you what, if we were to put all the outtakes up, people would be like that. No.
Scripted.
I love everything. Bloody holy. Jeez. Thank you. And answering the question, yeah, there's plenty in there. Yeah. Don't believe it. Don't believe it! That did spin round there, lovely. And that's all wrapped around that bloody cable now, and I don't let well believe it! Right, I'll put it.
You'll bang your head is what you'll do.
I can't believe I didn't get that on the video.
Did you? Oh dear.
Do it again.
Felt a bit Monty Python.
Right, oil's checked, brake fluid checked. All the water levels are good. Just joking.
Not checked the water level yet.
There's plenty of water in there.
Huh.
What about the
that quick.
radiator?
Oh, yeah, doesn't have water. Yeah, we'll cut that bit out. We'll just leave it at just joking.
Just seeing how long it took the cameraman to get on with that one. Now you can see why he's behind the camera and not on the spanners. You think I'm bad. Until next time, I'll see you.